Cayenne pepper's medicinal properties and effects. Cayenne pepper originated in Africa as a natural remedy. This tropical herb from the bell pepper plant family, also known as chili, grows in the wild as well as being cultivated as a crop in subtropical and tropical regions around the world. Cayenne pepper gets its name from the port city of Cayenne, which is located on the Devil's Islands in Guyana. In 2015-2016, cayenne pepper was named Vegetable of the Year. Cayenne pepper has long been used in medical applications as a natural remedy for its stimulating effect on circulatory disorders and treatment of muscle pain. Cayenne pepper's properties and active ingredients. Cayenne pepper's medicinal effects and properties are determined by a variety of pharmacological ingredients. Ripe fruits are used in dried form for medicinal purposes. Capsaicin and its derivatives are the main ingredients, but it also contains flavonoids, carotenoids, saponins, and essential oil. Cayenne pepper's medicinal properties. The blood circulation of the gastric mucosa is stimulated, which initiates healing processes and reduces flatulence and stomach discomfort. Gastric ulcer healing can be accelerated. Hyperemia of the skin produces a pleasant feeling of warmth and aids in the treatment of rheumatism, joint pain, strains, and muscle warming before sports. Capsaicin lowers blood sugar levels. As a fat burner, it aids in weight loss by significantly increasing metabolism and thus increasing energy consumption. It also suppresses appetite. Cayenne pepper's antioxidants reduce oxidative stress, protecting the body's cells. Cayenne pepper can be helpful in the fight against tumors. Cayenne pepper extract can also be used as a natural aphrodisiac and increases potency due to its blood circulation promoting properties. Capsaicin is a natural cholesterol-lowering agent that protects liver cells. Cayenne pepper's blood-thinning properties may benefit patients suffering from cardiac arrhythmias, stroke, or heart attack. Adverse effects. The ability to avoid side effects when using cayenne pepper for medicinal purposes is dependent on proper dosage and application. Externally, skin irritation may occur in sensitive individuals for a short period of time, but this is easily treated with cold water. Dosage. Depending on the capsaicin content, capsules can be taken twice daily with a meal. The manufacturer's recommended dosage, on the other hand, should take precedence. What should you look for in a product's quality? Because the full effect of capsaicin can only be obtained by taking it on a regular basis or as a cure, you should purchase a product that you can reasonably expect to take on a regular basis. Many people enjoy spicy foods, but do you really want to eat them every day and at every meal? If so, pure cayenne pepper powder would be a good option. If not, we strongly advise taking it in capsule form. The effect is the same, but you don't get the sharpness in your mouth and throat. Regardless of which method you choose, make certain that the chili peppers are grown organically and that the powder is 100% pure. In the description, we linked cayenne pepper we recommend. We hope you will give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.